Hey you all, 6:47 and it's Saturday. This is our first rest stop. We're excited. Okay, so here we are. This is our RV. I'm big help for Dawn here. I'm holding the dog. See that moon? Oh God, wait. I'll go the other way because I got woofy. Oh, there's the sunset. There's our dog bed. I think it's confused. Is this neat? Okay. Oh, thanks, babe. Oops. And then there's the moon. And when we it's going up. We're rotating so quickly here because I said, oh, look at the moon. It was just like maybe a third of it was showing. No, not a third. Yeah, about a third. Anyway. And then just like a few seconds later, it was almost all showing. And now it's all showing. Oh, look. Honey, there's people up in that hill part. Do you see the people up walking on the mountain right there? Or that little hill? Do you see this bush?
Mm-hmm.
In front of us? Just go straight along that bush line. You don't see them walking? Okay. That's like when we tell Gwen, hey, you see that? She can never see it. All right, love you. Bye.